You've created your video, everything is looking good, super nice, but one problem still shows on that video, which is watermark. On this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove watermark in few simple steps. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Let's go straight into it. We'll head over to Flow AI. Watch my steps. Don't skip any part of this video. You open Flow AI. This first one here, you click it open. You give it few seconds, it will open. You have it open. This amazing interface will pop up. Mind you that from 31st of August, you will stop getting free extra credit from Flow AI. All right, that is what this message means. So you click on new project. If you have already registered on Flow AI, you click on new project. If you have not registered, you have to register with one of your Gmail accounts. You click new projects. It will get you to this amazing part where you will see all media's characters, scenes, and the rest. Over here at the edge here, you'll be seeing here with your name initials. Okay, you click it open. When you click it open, you will receive your 50 Google Flow credits refresh daily. Okay, if you click on upgrade, you want to make payments. Click on create avatar, you want to create avatar. Manage membership, you are managing your membership. Sign out, you are leaving the platform, you are signing out. Right here that shows visible watermarking. Okay, mine is off, but if you turn it on, that is where you will have it turned on. It will always show the watermark on your videos. But if it's off, if you create any content, you will not see it on your video. It will make your video stand out and look professional. When you create video, you've put in effort, amazing prompts, image, everything, and this watermark will be staring at you. It doesn't look good. It shows you don't understand what you are literally doing. But with this watermark removal, you will stand out and it will look professional. Nobody will know that you create your video with Google Flow. If you like what I do here, feel free to subscribe to the channel and watch two of these videos. One is voice cloning, how to clone your voice. This second one is how to create stickman videos. And don't forget to click on bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. See you on the next one. Cheers.